Hi folks, just a little talk through of our options for you when it comes to carbon cleaning. So option 1, we have a high strength pour-in product. You can walk in at any time and purchase a can of this. We use DC Lubricants Emissions Detox Pro. It's available for diesel and petrol engines. We recommend you use this throughout the year, maybe every 2,000 to 3,000 miles, and this is what we do on our own vehicles. The next option up, also available for petrol and diesel engines, is our hydrogen carbon cleaning. The current cost for that is £99 plus VAT, or £50 plus VAT if it is included with an ECU remap. Very good as a preventative maintenance, again, if you're doing that annually. And the next thing up we have is the Extreme Diesel Intake Clean. So this is our high strength intake cleaning kit. If you've got that MOT failure and you need something a little bit more robust, it's going to clean sticky turbo vanes and stuff like that also. So if you've got a bit of a sticky turbo, or maybe, you know, it's failed its MOT test, this is the option for you. As with all carbon cleaning and intake cleaning, it is primarily a preventative measure. So if you're a bit fussy with your vehicle, like myself, maybe do this annually and combine it with the in-tank product for maximum effect. If you'd like any more info, just give us a shout. Cheers, folks.